Hello my friends, as you can see in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make this beautiful concrete statue. I will show you the materials needed to make this. However, the choice of color is entirely personal and up to your own choice. Alright, I start by using a brush with a pointed and very fine tip to point the corners of the statue white, and then with a regular brush I start painting the entire statue. I give it some time to dry and then move on to the second coat of painting. Now you can use a toothbrush or any other tool to apply the paint, like a brush method. I mixed the gold and bronze paints together, tinted them a bit, used the toothbrush with my hand, creating a splatter effect. Yes, this is my most favorite part, stamping my logo. And this is the final result of my work. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, I would happy if you share it with your friends, like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!